Hi, this is Elena from Cerebro, and today we'll give you a brief introduction to our system using the desktop version as an example. I'll tell you about its main features, and if you have any questions afterward, feel free to contact us.
When you log into Cerebro, it allows you to customize your workspace. There are several ways to do this. Today, we'll be using the Workspace Setup wizard, which you can find on the toolbar at the top of your screen. This time, we'll choose Supervisor, but you can select other roles as well. Let's see how the workspace has changed. There are fewer tabs and the layout is more compact, but flexible. If you need to add something, you can use the View tab. Let's add a to-do list. It will be much easier to use the system if you memorize the logic behind the interface. The tasks themselves, in one form or another, are always on the left. Everything task-related, like messages, task properties, and links between tasks, is on the right. Task settings are at the top. If something seems too complicated, you can always remove it by right-clicking on it. Tasks in Cerebro are stored as a tree with unlimited nesting, meaning you can create any number of tasks and projects. Let's create a location called Road as an example. Cerebro allows you to have separate chats, files, and employees for every task. Let me demonstrate. For example, we'll write a report, attach a file, on which we have worked for 4 hours, and send it. Now let's see how notifications work. We click on the large blue bulb, go to the task, and view new events. While we're here, let's also open the To-Do List tab. At the top, there is a mini navigator, and at the bottom, the tasks to which we have been assigned. You can click on the bulb here to open the task chat. Do you think the head should be big? Now let's look at something more serious and show you My Space. This tab allows you to conveniently track tasks according to your set of criteria. The Gantt chart tab in the Planning section shows the duration of tasks on a visual project schedule, as well as connections between tasks. Our next tool, the Task Board, is similar to a Kanban board. Tasks here are displayed in the form of cards. You can drag them, change their statuses, and track their progress. And now, let's go back to the navigator and show you another unique Cerebro tool. This is Mirada, a tool for commenting on files of any, absolutely any, trust me, format. Let's open a file. You can leave voice comments or drawings, as we are doing now. For any shot, record sound and draw by hand or according to a template. In other words, you can have as much fun as you want. We have left comments and changed task status directly in Mirada. This was a brief introduction to Cerebro and our favorite tools. However, Cerebro has many more planning, task management, and collaboration tools, connectors to various software and instant messengers, a web version, a mobile app, special rates for freelancers, and a referral program. We'll tell you about all this in the following videos. Thanks for listening to me today, and see you next time. Bye!